Hi guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare light soup with fried fish. So stay tuned as I take you through the process. In my pot, I will add salted beef because I want this to be the base for my soup. I will season it with some onions and then add my ingredients. I added carrots, onions, tomatoes, and pepper. And here you can use any ingredients you're okay with. Added a lot of water and I will cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I will remove all the ingredients and then blend it into a fine puree. And then I will transfer it back to the pot. Rinse the blender with some water and add it back, and I added extra water once again. Cover and allow it to come to a boil. So once it boils, I will then go in with my fried fish. But before then, I will give it a quick stir, and then this is how it is. But if you want yours to be thicker, you can add tomato paste or let the ingredients be more. Okay, so I will be adding the fishes into the soup, and I already have a video on how to fry the fish and you can check it out. So I added some peppers and then I will check for the salt to see if it is okay because I already seasoned the fish. So here I will cover it and allow it to simmer for 20 minutes for everything to be fine. So after 20 minutes, the soup is ready and you can pair this with fufu, especially rice or even kaffa. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video and I hope you will try this recipe. See you in the next one. Bye.